and today we are going to be playing some, what is it? Battle of King of Towers? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. This might be a little weird for you guys. I'm sorry, but there we go. Let's see. The orc card. The war lasted 334 years. Yeah, blah blah blah. Can we let go now? Yeah, I just want to skip. I don't want the backstory of this. Ah! If you get stuck on loading, please refresh your game. I just want to check if this is recording anyways. Sorry if the thing pops up in the top. If it pops up there. Sorry if that happens, but yeah, I just have to check if it's recording because sometimes it'll just stop recording. My CA, sir, the day has finally come when you take the throne. Yes, it is time. I will fulfill the desires of Lantifak name. I shall go forth and destroy the evil armies. Wait for my return, priestess.
The prophecy does not only speak of defeating the enemy. Your path is a long and a treacherous one.
Boot camp. Please don't tell me we're doing Bowman boot camp. I hate this. Oh. Yeah. I think I played this game before. Arrow Tower. Archer Tower. Cannon Tower. Barracks. Yeah, I seriously think I've played a game similar to this. Let me upgrade that. I can't upgrade that. I can't upgrade that. Okay. We'll change the flag. Load troops right there. Let's go, Brits. Let's go. What you got on me? What you got on me? What you got on me? Okay. Oh, wait, what? It's not recording. But my camera's not on. Okay, that's weird. But okay. I don't care about the next wave. Just summon it early, please. Wolfless! There's some wolfless! A Metalla hotkey A. Okay, so I have to press A. A! Right there. Come on, heroes of Metalla. Kill them! Not that I need any help, that is, just want to destroy these guys. So let's put a mage tower there. Let's put another mage tower there. 2 mage towers. Ooh, the tanks are coming in. They're coming in hot. Hot and spicy. Heroes of Metalla, defend! You'll die anyways. Bzzzt. 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 Heroes of Metalla. At least you killed one. Heroes! Take this guy down. Victory, my king! We are victorious! A great start to the campaign, but we must keep up the pace. These green-skinned orcs must not be underestimated, you sir. You sir, what is your name? My name is Hans, a retired veteran. Now train your majesty's military to deal with the greenskins. Your military is trained very well. There will be great use to the kingdom's cause. Your service is greatly noted. It is my honor to serve the kingdom, my lord. I have an old friend who wants to meet you, Lord Knight, the Silver Knight. Okay. Great. Great. Bring him to me. Yes, my lord. We'll call upon him now. Okay. Holy crap. I didn't know there was a whole kingdom to this. Fortify. Fortify. Great. Can I fortify again? And fortify again. And again. And again. No, I think I'm good. Enemies continuously our forces to drive them out. Where are you pointing? Oh, okay. Click to go battle. Okay. Silopius Center. I expected the second platoon of orcs is on the way. The Barak's troops are yours to command. Lord Knight Matala, I aid to leave you. Hands might be with you. Yes, King Jane, understood. The Matala will be ready and await you orders. I don't want to read all this. I just want to fight. You already upgraded them. Let's go for can I upgrade these again? Oh, okay. Not yet. Research. Another tower here. Go ahead. Come on in, people. To the party. Take them down. So many new stuff. Destroy these Kalahari Kapaners. I don't know what I just said. Did I say Kalahari Kapaners? Oops. Destroy him! There we go. Still can upgrade it. I want to sell this now and then put up a barracks. No, I want you to go right there. I want you to be useful. Okay. Oh god, dragons. Not that I expected that. Yes. Yes. The heal. Small but deadly in packs. Wolf. Destroy him. You ain't getting through. You ain't getting through. Wolves ain't getting through us. Put up a mage tower. Bzz. Come on in, people. Delayed. eagle-eyed oh, wow. I thought they were pelicans or something. I'm gonna put another cannon tower there. A miss? How do you miss? Final wave. Oh yeah, let's see what this is. If I'm recording, thank God. Why are you waiting? Come on, where's your top? Pigeon. Pigeon. Bzzz. 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 No. Get up. Get up. Boom. 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 We can do this. Put another barracks there and another barracks here. No, your flag is supposed to be there, and your flag is supposed to be right there. Got some recruits coming in. It is done. I see you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do anyways. I haven't been talking this whole time, have I? I was so focused. The game, aim. In the game, aim. Okay, guys, remind me in the comments to not derp out like that. So yeah, so I don't derp out and not talk while I'm supposed to be commentating. Yeah, okay. So, as you can pretty much tell, I put 2 cannons down here. Can you see my cursor? Yeah, okay. 2 cannons down here. There's some big orcs. I leveled this guy up. I can't level this guy up because, well, you know, I wanna, but we put those guys there so they can take those down and stall them while the mage tower is doing his thing. And they're absolutely gonna get wrecked by those, so I'm just gonna put that down there. And no. It got a double cannon walking it down there. I think down here I'm gonna put a double archer tower. Just in case. Upgrade that one up. And upgrade that one up again. Double archer tower. Just in case, you know. You need it. Not like anything will get past my things. My cannons, but you know, it's good to have something. Let those stall down. They'll die anyways. Put that there so they can actually kill some people. Good. Treacherous. Did I kill one? Only one? Oh my god. No, I do not want to get them to there. No. Visit. Come on, cannon. Come on, cannons. Cannons go. Cannons go. Cannons go. Cannons go. Go on, cannons. S. Shock it. Going for the final kill. Bang. Finish. And a hiccup at the end. I'm gonna research to leveled. Can I do that? No. Can only do this one. Used to build a defense tower. Oh, where do I quit it? Bleed. Rewards. Daily lottery. Okay, what's this? I'm gonna go for this one. Very reward toast. Money back. VIP. Keep moving. Go craft. What's up with the hiccups? Okay, I guess guys, that is gonna wrap up this episode. We started off with no hiccups, went with hiccups, and yeah. If you want to see more of this, then hit the like button down below, and yeah, goodbye.